Welcome to Investosphere. If you're serious about making money online and creating a real, long-term digital asset, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most powerful but often overlooked tools in online business. Building an email list that doesn't just grow, it pays you consistently. So many creators, freelancers, and entrepreneurs focus on followers, likes, or views, but none of those matter as much as a direct connection with your audience. That's what an email list gives you. It's ownership, it's control, and if done right, it's income. In this masterclass, we're going to break down every layer of building, nurturing, and monetizing your email list. This isn't theory. This is practical, actionable, and based on what actually works. Let's get started. Section 1. Why an email list is the #1 online asset. You own it. Unlike social media, where algorithms control your reach. Higher conversion rates. Emails convert better than social posts. Predictable traffic. You can drive traffic to anything, your blog, offer, or store, anytime. Relationship building. Email allows for long-form, meaningful communication. Section 2. Understanding your audience before you start. Define your niche clearly. Build a reader persona. Who is your audience? What keeps them up at night? What do they want solved? Understand their language. What terms do they use? What platforms do they use most? Section 3. Choosing the right email platform. MailChimp, ConvertKit, GetResponse, ActiveCampaign. Compare ease of use, automation, cost. Choose a platform that can scale with your goals. Section 4. Creating a lead magnet that converts. What's a lead magnet? A valuable freebie in exchange for an email. Popular lead magnet types: checklists, templates, ebooks, discount codes. Make it niche specific and immediately useful. Include strong copy, clear headline, benefit-driven bullet points, a call to action. Section 5. Building high-converting opt-in forms. Types: pop-ups, slide-ins, inline forms, landing pages. Best practices: minimal form fields, strong call to action, mobile optimization. A/B test different versions. Section 6. Driving traffic to your opt-in offers. Organic methods. SEO, YouTube videos, blog posts, Pinterest. Paid methods. Facebook ads, Google ads, influencer promotions. Use social proof and urgency to boost conversions. Section 7. Nurturing your email list properly. The welcome sequence. 4 to 7 emails that introduce who you are, what value you offer, and what to expect. Educational content. Teach something useful, build trust. Storytelling. Share personal or client success stories. Engagement. Ask questions, run surveys. Section 8. Segmentation and personalization. Tag your subscribers by interest, behavior, and engagement level. Send the right content to the right people. Use personalization tools. Name, location, preferences. Section 9. Monetizing your list effectively. Affiliate marketing. Promote products with your unique link. Your own digital products, ebooks, courses, templates, coaching, or services. Direct promotions through a sales funnel. Email-only deals. Create a sense of exclusivity. Use soft versus hard pitches. Educate first, then offer. Section 10. Measuring and optimizing your results. Key metrics: open rates, click-through rates, conversion rates, unsubscribe rates. Tools: Google Analytics, email platform reports, heat maps. Regular A/B testing of subject lines, body copy, CTAs. Section 11. Common mistakes to avoid. Buying email lists. This destroys credibility. Ignoring mobile formatting. Sending only promotional content. Not cleaning your list. Remove inactive users. Section 12. Scaling your email income over time. Create multiple lead magnets for different segments. Develop automated funnels for new products. Partner with brands for joint promotions. Grow your traffic sources to feed the funnel. Building an email list that pays you isn't just about collecting names and sending promotions. It's about building trust, offering real value, and understanding how to guide people from stranger to subscriber to customer. This is one of the most foundational strategies for building real wealth online. It takes time, yes, but it works. And it compounds. The more value you offer, the more your list grows, and the more income you generate without chasing algorithms. So if you're ready to stop playing the social media game and start building a real business, this is your roadmap. And now I want to hear from you. What's the one thing stopping you from building your email list today? Drop your answer in the comments. If this deep dive helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Investosphere, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future content. And if you're already building a list, tell us your favorite email tool or strategy below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.